All right, it is class project time. I'd like you to do some color matching. I've got two files you can practice with. Okay, they're in the exercise files under color, and you'll see color 02, color match, and there's one called interview 1 and 2. See if you can match these two up. You can see here they're from the same documentary, but they are shot at different times of the day in different rooms with potentially different cameras. So I want you to match them. Okay, you can get started by using the color wheels in here. But don't just stop there. You'll find you get close to it, okay? But you're gonna have to probably dive into some basic correction as well to kind of get them to match. And yeah, so practice with that. Then I'd like to take your kind of skills and I want you to give you kind of a real world project, real world-ish. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to Pexels, okay? Pexels.com is a place where you can get free videos to use commercially, which is handy. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to go there, go to videos. Okay, so go here, click on videos, make sure you're on trending, work out your lucky number. Okay, mine's 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got this like dancing thing going on here. Okay, that is, whatever it is, that's the video you're gonna match. Okay, so I'm gonna right click and say open that one up, a new tab. And this one here, I can kind of tell that it's something about dancing. You can kind of hover above them and they kind of tell you can see vertical video of 2 people dancing in party. So I'm going to go into here and find another one, okay, dancing, and I'll find something else that's kind of similar. That's going to give me a bit of challenge. I'm not going to try and find the exact same clip, but let's say this one here, I'm going to download this one and that one and try and match them using color match. Okay, using all the tricks we learned so far. Start with in here, start with match, okay, and then start playing with color wheels and basic correction, and if you're brave, this HSL secondary. And then I'd like you to take a shortcut of the before and after. So line them up like this. This is the before. Take a screenshot. On a Mac, it's Command-Shift-4. You can drag a box around it. On a PC, you'll have to Google that. I can't remember off the top of my head. So that's before. And then let's say I do my color match. Let's click on this, click on this. Let's go down here. Turned it off by accident. So I hit my color match, okay, and I can take a screenshot of the after. So before, you can turn this FX on and off and just take 2 screenshots, one before and one after. I just want to give people some real world-ish practice with this rather than just following my one that I gave you, which I gave you not easy one, but easy enough one. So I want you to practice, see how you get, and then I would like you to upload it. So upload it, your before and after, to the assignments project section. Okay, and also share it on social media. It's really interesting to see where people got to, okay, in terms of their matching. And also drop in there as well, like the problems you had and any of the features inside of Lumetri that really helped you in that case. It'll help other people go, oh yeah, I never thought of using that. So that's the only one I want to see, the Pexels match. You can just practice this one here. All right, that is your assignment. Go forth and color match.